So man guys, how are you guys? Yay. Anas. Usisuri awushoze bengi ku relationship no baba wengane yami. Uthi vele ngibe ku relationship no brothers. Brothers vele abe cheatist. Abe kwale kwake motho wa di phapo ke motho wa di events and mina I'm not like that. So ngumuntu ngiyafunda ngapha ngiyasebenza. So I don't have time. Isikhathi enginaso is for ingane yami. And mina especially ngama weekends isikhathi sami sokuthi ngifunde. So angikhona ukuba hambe ebusuku kulabona. The only time ngikhona uhamba ngaso isemini if ngipha umntwana or I can do ama breakfast date or ama lunch and then ngayenza nama dinner dates but yena akafuni lokho ufuna ukuthi riku groove and mina angikho ku groove kulabona. Uga uyasebenza but usebenza umsebenzi nje i-general work la sebenza khona akasimsebenzi ospecific awufundelile. So mina la ngisebenza khona kuyabereka kodi office ngijamusho. One uthi ngisebenza lapho and I'm busy ngecourse engiyenzayo and like ifuna isikhathi esiningi course ngikire accounting so I'm busy ngama number so banokuthi ngipay attention for isikhathi sami because ngifuna ukuyiceda lento engiyenza yabona. Okay sharp okay uthi okay boy kube uchitisti ngibaphana amagama so ngithi boy but lo uyaphela iphathi yakhe yaphela abe cheatist kanjalo ugayi cidalana vele it gets to a point ukuthi isiyahlukana vele because ngithi mjela ukuthi you know what mina ngibheke ifuture yami so ngiyalwela ngileli future wena ulwela ukuphuza kuphela. So I don't think with relationship yethu in a way forward so rather sizo co-parent mina nawe for uthi wenzele ingane and then sizophuma for ingane if siyaphuma sikhiphe imntwana and I need to be there or if kuyafunala ukuthi maybe sihlangane kuma school wadwada bana esikolweni ngizoba there for umntwana masamba isithu but other than that I abuthi tsela hago ifela uthi vele ngimike kanjalo ngoba umuntu obusy vele ungabe umuntu ukuthi uncinga isikhathi ibile wena wabhora abantu aphume kimi. Okay sharp ngihlale vele ngibe busy vele ngindaba zami zama exam ubona ke fate vele ngicede vele because ngiyenza ngizingraduate solo ngisingile because ngilebelething the goal ubona uthi ngibe singile kanjalo vele ngicela ngiapply ngidegree vele lesengitholile hayi ngithola umsebenzi kwenye company uthi mangithola umsebenzi kwenye company hayi vele bang interview vele ke kremmereko and ngithola position ethe xaxa nemali ibe obon uthi hayi vele kibe ngoyana banongihore garden thadi solo trips and stuff like that uthi vele ngaqala vele ngathathi solo trip yokuqala ngahamba ngi1 kwaba mnandi nga-enjoy ngathi ema ngizirepeat ngenye futhi uthi this time kitse solo trip kanti ngiyohlangana no brothers kuma emazweni uthi hayi vele ngihlangane nalo muntu naye kanti bekathathi solo trip uthi masifika lapha yana uthi befuthi like I was walking yabona so ngiyahamba ngibheka iphone because ngifuna ama direction ngihamba ngi1 remember ngiku trip ngi1 ngifuna ama direction so ngibheka iphone ngiyawalka kanti nayo uyawalka nayo ubusy ngefone yakhe sifike sishayisane ngayo isiphathi ngama shoulders uthi ngimthe ukuthi oh sorry abantu naye athi sorry axolise so athi abuze usisi uthi I'm lost ngifunana nala no sis naye athi you know what I'm lost in yabona so lo mlungu ahleke no sisi ahleke athi lo mlungu bathi abuze ke upit abuze ke ukuthi uhamba uyi1 na sis was like no this is my solo trip in guy was like upit was like you know what nami ngihamba ngi1 how about mina ngisale mala ngayi3 lana how about ngoba sesi uhamba ngihamba ngi1 like during the day sihlangane and then see out for dinner later the following day meaning tomorrow and then sikhuluma ngitshela ukuthi uhambe kanjani in sikhuluma about i-trip lo ithethe nami ngitshele nge-trip yami uthi hayi vele ugirl athi okay why not ugirl remember usengile hayi uguy vele upete was like okay wena Jessica how about kahle sicale manje ntambama si out for dinner so are you game? Jessica was like okay but dinner sizoya iflatini yam like iflat yabo iflat lawa ama 5 stars so ani restaurant so utha engcono siye ku flat ya man ku hotel yam not iflat sorry ku hotel yam yabona kune restaurant downstairs so I don't want to ngihambe ebusuku angifuni indaba zabo di human trafficking yabona cause siku country mina engakayijwayelanga okay sharp. Two brothers was like, Upito was like, okay, 70s, yeah. Well, girl, or giving my ano who lukisa, but don't lukise, makeup, put the lash, everything, mirror on point. Niti, black dress yam, little black dress yam, or giving my ano go the heely, cleavage, it's on yana, get cleavage, oban, pelanyo puma, no muntu, oh, so, I need to impress, or I can come on at and kilipila. Tivele ngihambe mangifika vele ngalengithulukayi ungumele tivele ngifike vele angidonsele isitulo ngihlale phansi I was like unuka kamnandi umuhle more than emini uthi ama compliments were like flowing uthi ingasancibiliki guys yo what is this guy anzibi but like the way ang compliment anga thing and body uthi body yama ungayibona wachaza kokugcina plus the dress behaka the right places so nikilipila so uthi uPieta vele umuntu uzintroduce ayo mina ngiuPieti ngisi kuping ona in ama companies ngirana in I'm from SA. Girl was like, wow, nami ngibuya SA mina ngikuphi iposition enjanja uthi vele siqale sikhulume ngendaba zomsebenzi vele kube iicebreaker yethu ayisikhulume angibuza ukuthi la usenza concept kanjani angimchazela ukuthi hayi ngiright in kufike to a point ubit at okay ngoba ngiyabuza ukuthi umuntu ubusy and intombazana young very ambitious so unomuntu na ubona Jessica was like, no, ngihlukane nomuntu wami 1.5 years ago. So ngathi said ukuthi emangibe single because I want to concentrate kuma studies wami and achieve whatever I want to achieve because this person bekangasi serious. So the only thing engifuna i-growth and mina nginingani. So I want to secure a future for my child. Hayi wathi uPeter mbuzo ukuthi okay, so uningani yamshimano ore ngwanyana ya. Girl was like, no, nginomfana wami una 5 years so nginomntwana we1 so bathi uPiet at okay so mina ngibona ngiPiet ngidivorce nginabantwana abayi2 bama girls so I think ukuthi mina nawe singaba blended family yabona but girl was like no Pito ngarasha ngisho like now we are getting to know each other sizokhuluma ngendaba zokudata if things progress to the next level Nina hayi uthi vele kube munandi baphuze kube munati ubit amfeheleti until koko purchasing ya room ya hayi so njor girl abule emnyankelo was like no bit ngi first night anyeke bit was like okay ngicabuza ngiyacela ukuthi ngicabuze okay uthi ye Josie just phela nami sengidipsinyana and phela kudala hiba ihlahuli chimu uthi vele ngiyamcabuza vele uPiet hayi brothers uthi ama SMS ama WhatsApp ngithubela wona like brothers was like locked gone now uthi the following morning vele that you know what ngikupela hore otse I'm outside uthi kelema ngiphuma uPiet ungaphandle uphethe nama gifts Piet was like yo I couldn't sleep last night ngendaba yakho yekiss so kira ketla ubona first thing in the morning and please can we go out for lunch and siyubonane ocean so Kel was like no like okay it's fine I can go with you but I got sort somewhere Pete was like, you know what, I'll wait for you, go take a shower, odilukise, and then we go out shopping, and then from there, sehambage, siya elwandle. Girl was like, okay, sharp. Nina, nyabuya ngupit 2.0 part 2. usisters uthi okay awusijuice vele ngihambe vele ngiyogeza uthi ngizithitivate phela ke nto hore motho a chamehile o feta uthi vele ngizithitivate vele ngibe right ngibe muhle ngibe on point hayi vele mina noPete vele sihambe guys ini uthi vele masihamba vele uPete vele kuba umuntu ongibambe isandla like ummone gore ke banna ba level ba gore o nya go bontsha gore ke motho wa high oba so what's wrong yabona uthi vele bahla uthi masihamba nesithu like umuntu ongibamba ngesandla umuntu vele sa confirm ukuthi mina naye sila yabona uthi vele ngifeel special yo uthi guy yo Aisha mthola ngumjolo umunati nina nambani kintini Aisha abantwana guys hayi sizele sizathini okay sharp uthi vele ugel uthi sihambe vele uthi la bayikhona ku vacation uthi vele baye ku some certain stores vele lapho thengisiwa vele khona izimpahla zokuswim uthi vele sifike vele ngikhethe whatever I like uthi guy was like you know what awufuna ukudopa like I know what you ladies love to shop so awufuna ukudopa anything that you like you might need must be like a mover in South Africa now one girl was like no like I'm okay athi no like ungabi namahloni like ithatha I'm offering you so tata ugel uthi vele ngithathe this expensive bag vele ngithathe uthi vele uguy vele aswipe vele kube mnandi sihambe siyodla out and then from there sivele sizihambele sizile emaphulweni sizile kuma ulwandle nithini kanolwandle ku-ocean yabona uthi vele sizele ku-ocean vele kube mnandi uthi vele uguy vele kuba umuntu vele angitshela vele abe serious athi you know what ngifuna ukuthi mangijika la vele ukuthi ube umuntu wami so I'm very serious ngindaba ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi mina nawe sidate please arebe batho ba right rejole yabona so uthi vele emphasize indaba ukuthi mina na vele asibele South Africa angifuni ukuthi indaba yethu iphelele la so ngifuna ukuthi indaba yethu iye beyond lana yabona okay was like okay akunankinga ke rekajola ngicela ukuthi ungiphathe kahle because mina I'm very fragile kusho ugele Pete was like yo what's the minister of romance barela nna bona I want get over soft life ubiti kanjalo okay yabona vele bathi vele kube indaba ukuthi vele seba official baya date uthi vele manginoPete vele akekho umuntu wesifazana amfonelayo like only time akhuluma vele namajita bakhuluma indaba ze-business so usuka angitshela ukuthi you know what angifuna ukuthi uphile comfortable and ngizoyenza sure ukuthi umntwana wakho uphila impilo comfortable if uyimuntu wami so angifuna ukuthi umuntu wami mina ahlupheke yabona hayi okay uthi like mangembheke vele ngifika udlomlungu ngitshela manga lo ufuna ukulala nami yaza ikhwini into ayifunayo la ufuna ipatlaza yabona itori zenziwa ngicorrupt shema awona uthi vele ngisitshela ukuthi lo ufuna vele le nto ilabshofela ayona nomaka uthi vele ngisitshela ukuthi yabona esilonga sisise ku live vacation angeke ayithi ka uzayibona le eMzansi for sure hayi vele uthi vele sihlale kube mnandi vele sihambe vele mina ngithi mina ngifuna ugeza dala silanela ngensenginuka ilanga so I need to go bath yabona hayi bathi uPete athi okay asambe ke adlule amshiya ku hotel yena ayi hotel aphukile uPete so usister the following day bena bekahamba uPete nebekasalela ilanga eli1 yabona bathi uPete at extend man ilanga lakho yabona extend ilanga lakho uzolala kimi le ihotelini yami ungahamba and then sizokuthengela ne flight ticket sizojika sonke se-South Africa ugele icaleni it was like no man no hayi uthi vele kunomunye umngane wakhe vele uthi vele ngimWhatsApp ngimbuza ukuthi ngithole umlungu this side and this side umlungu uthi ngingahambi ngilale ilanga lokugcina so chomi yaka orange chomi was like ye wena bathu bakilivela kancane so lo bhayiza halule sengele mu utlobula ikeng for one night amoroba la ku fleteng ko hoteleng ya motho tsamaya Girl was like, okay, uthi hayi vele ngitshele vele uBheti uthi okay ngizolala lapho kuke nesizohamba kusasa. Uthi vele uBheti vele ezazomlanda vele baye kuhotel ngiyaphiyela. Uthi mangifika umuntu lala la khona bona hayi ngisho ukuthi ulala ama premier nama president. Uthi luxury on top of luxury. Uthi ngibona ukuthi mslomuntu into bengitshela yona ukuthi unemali unama businesses iqiniso. Uthi ngicala lapho ukubelieve ukuthi mslomuntu lo uphila like a soft life is serious. Yabona uthi hayi vele sifike angitshela ukuthi you know what asami like let's go out maybe to a club or something. Sibe lapho siyogroove sibe ngabo AM kube mnati like kube yi memories wishiya ngapha. Girl was like okay sharp ngonyana vele gaba on point. Makeup mirror and attire abamuhle ngathi ma heels. Uthi hayi uguy naye vele waba smart casual waba right waba like online ngabona lo esmos more na lithu ramage. Uthi vele sahamba vele sayakwenye i night club vele efensi. Uthi yo kwaba mnandi uthi mina no guy sihlelile ko VIP. Uthi hey kwaba mnandi sengitipsi phela sengitipsa ngisho uthi singasashine ilamza lapha yana. Uthi guy was like you know what let's go back to the hotel. What uthi nami ngoba sengidizi and kimo anyane ngithi why not nina montombazana ayishem yabona. Uthi vele ngithi why not let's go. Uthi vele sihambe. Uthi vele masifika vele ku hotel kungasa discuss ukuthi inkingi irirangi inakokai. Yabona uthi hayi kube 1 + 1 = 2. Uthi iphele kanjalo indaba kube 1 + 1 = 2 iphele kanjalo. Uthi hey hayi ngadronkeka kokugcina I don't wanna lie ngadronkeka clap once I think about before mara clap once uthi ngadronkeka kanti uguy naye waba hooked kanjalo. Uthi uguy vele like solo vele masilele empedini solo vele ungibhekile ngamehlo wakhe la wa green yabona musa amehlo abelungu uthi njani. Uthi ngibhekile mos kube ngathi like ubheke ice cream ngathi angayikhotha. Uthi ngibheke yabona ifoni yami ijemile ngibhizi mina kube ngiyarecorda kanti imile. Yabona indaba zokukhuluma kuke more 2.0 hayi okay uthi okay back to the story. Okay uthi uthi vele mostan okay more angibheke ne be 2.0 uthi angibheke ngathi akangikhotha uthola ngibhekile bathi angibuza uthi sika asifike South Africa ngeke uzongijikele mar like uzongithanda uzoba nami in stuff like that. Jessica was like no like mina nawe esikhulumile mina nawe sila finde ubopha mina nawe soyithu. Hayi vele uthi uguy vele athi kimi athi you know what emas ngikuphe imali so angifuna ukuthi ustruggle maybe like you want to buy things mafika ngalena let me send you money ube mnati ube mjojo yabona. So girl was like okay. Uthi mina I'm thinking ukuthi umuntu uzongithumela boma 2-3,000 yabona. Ha umuntu angithi pho nge40,000. Uthi ngingayiboni kahle ngithi hayi. Uthi engibone ama 0.4 40,000. Uthi ngimtshela ukuthi awubhidi imali enenganga athi no baby girl you need to get used to this lifestyle cause mina I'm going to pamper you. So feel free to ask anything you want from Baba. Piti kuke muri hanina uthi ukela sangibelieve since ungaba yimi azange ngoba nomuntu mina ongipha more than 10,000 in my life. Uthi ukela was like so happy. Uthi hayi vele kubhokhiwe vele iflight kasisi vele ibe ku business class. Uthi vele sihambe sithi airport sifly together back to Mzansi for sure. Ngiyabuya ngopatre. Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Ngiyaxolisa last night bengasiright. Even now I'm not okay but ngoba ngathi ngizokhuluma izindaba ngizoba ngomgubhuzo eTikTok. So get back to work. Angisho mina ngimsebenzi wenu. Ngiyanibubhosi baba. Izolo kasi ngisuke ngashaya ubuthongo after ngiphuza medication. Ngishaya ubuthongo yazi papa I'm very late. So ngiyaxolisa for lokho so mase mina bengithi ngizorecord I'm not well shemphethe umunye umkhuhlane wakasathani lo. Hayi corona ibuyile sebathi ayingabuyanga ibona le isiphethe shembe icorona I don't wanna die. Umkhuhlane wakhona medication yonke ka doctor ingaphela nje so la upholi. Okay guys, sikhulumeni ke ngopart 3. Ke ngingicocele. At least part 1 ngasolo nami ngithi tu. Yabona? Ugel uthi ayivele sifly uthi hey wena Josie. Uthi refly Emirates. Uthi yey engicabanga ukuthi phela business class uthi yo luxury egane ke boneng yo uthi azange feel special kanga in my entire life uthi slow lounge sakhona ke sinjani yo I kept on pinching myself with is this my life yimi yona lo wabona uthi leso sikhathi ukuke more 2.0 assurance yawuntshwara kaltso touchy aphela ngihlebela ama sweet nothings endlebeni ya plena hayi yazi ngafila ngathi ngimiss universe uthi uphethe uzokubuza kaningi are you okay are you full do you need something to drink like ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi 100% of the time ni right hayi uthi vele sifike vele South Africa uthi masifika already sa organize umuntu uzosilanda hayi vele masifika vele silenda it was very late masilenda hayi ubit athi you know what I've already booked us a hotel asambela la khona uzovuka khona ekseni moya emsebenzini girl was like no I need to go to my place in Bit was like no I insist phela ngeke solo ukhathele manje ufuna ukendlini rather go to a place where it's neat and fresh ulale then early in the morning uye emsebenzini and then you will come back late and then sort out the place yabona hayi girl uthi vele ngivume vele asifika vele ubiti usibukile table for 2 rena champagne rasha white king everything it's aligning hayi vele fiskats kulala Peter's like bona mugel ya mo South Africa kayibatla ayisabatla yakonhle what uthi hey one thing led to another uthi hey khwaba monate solo remo what na Peter hayi uthi vele exercise the following day vele ekseni ngivuke uthi ngivuke vele ngiziprepare masinya vele ngithi Pete mina vele ngiyahamba ngikhaphe because ukuthi mina I left my car ubit uthi okay let me call someone ke azolanda uthi vele afonele someone hayi vele amlande agijima mise okay but ukel vele bamkhaphe agijime vele ayifletin lakhe thatha imoto vele ahamba emsebenzini uthi vele mangifika emsebenzini umuntu wants to know exactly ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi ini or things like that and ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi what I've told him iqiniso how umuntu yangifonela like around 11 uyangibuthi like uphethe ini isikhaftini course uhambela ungakadlanga yabona okay I was like no like I'm going to order something ngizoyidla yabona so I am okay something ngizoyidla so I was like no ngizokudelivela something don't stress yourself nabona ayivele bathi vele around 12 o'clock umuntu afone athi come ku reception area yabona uthi vele ngihamba uthi umuntu yena kasibili he said to me ukuthi uzothumela umuntu ukuthi angidelivele kuhle umuntu yena kasibili uyemikwa and mina like senginamahloni ngoba ngisemsebenzini senginamahloni vele ngithi ngiyambona na umuntu ngobude umelapha mangivela lapha yena vele umuntu vele afike vele avula izandla angihake angicabuze emlomeni mina nikhomba ngikitsang uthi umuntu vele na ungilethele ukudla vele athi ngilethele ukudla angizwishe sesikhathani phela I cannot wait to see you mina ngehopotse ubit kokeburi hayi vele ugele uthi vele ngimtshela ukuthi angishisa ngo4 uthi okay ngo4 ngizozalana sizohamba sonke. Hayi ugele was like, you know what, mina nginengane, so now that I'm back fanele ukuthi ngiconcentrate ukubo mama, so I cannot do ukuthi ngibe ngithi ngathi ngi-single person and stuff like that. So umntwana wami kamamncane wami, so I need to go and fetch him from kamamncane wami. So guy was like, okay, can you please give me 1 hour ke ukuthi ngibe nawo ngibone. So girl was like, no athi please ngiyacela. Girl was like, okay, 4 o'clock sharp ube la. Mukai left girl ukuthi ngacontinue ngasebenza 4 o'clock on the dot. Umuntu yangifonela, I'm waiting outside. Uthi mangiphuma nangumuntu athi okay follow me. Uthi hayi ngene emotweni yami vele ngithi ngimlandela umuntu usihambise la vele out. Hayi vele kusibe ukuthi siyaxoxa umuntu angitshela ukuthi you know what, fanele uqashe inini ezosala umntwana akho pheza because mina I cannot do ukuthi mangifuna ukubona ungitshela ngomntwana. So look for a person ozokucheckela umntwana. And then on that note futhi ubheka indawo cause awuqona nakholelena. So girl was like, no, like ilis agreement yami lapha yana ayayenza ayisisethu no expire, so like it's going to be costly for me ukuthi ngiphume lapha yana. Guy was like, you know what, I need you to look for a place closer to la mina ngihlala khona until umntwana wakho uzongintroduce officially. That's when you can move in. Sihlale sonke as a family, but for now look for a place. Mina don't worry about amalisi ukuthi ayenzani, mina I will take care of everything. Hi okay uthi okay hayi uthi silesiqede vele nje uthi you know what, mina beating I'm leaving, like I can't stay any longer. Umamncane uzothatha ukuthi I'm taking advantage of ikindness yakhe. Hayi uthi umuntu vele sicabuzana mina ngihlukana naye. Uthi umuntu the whole way angifonela so lo siyaxoxa the whole way. So ngiba ukuthi this guy like R1 on rata kanete, like he's not even joking, yabona. Cabanga ukuthi abantu labana less than a week bahlangene. So Pete was like okay, so fikile ukela uthi okay ngifikile, uthi okay ngizodropa ke ngizorespecta umntwana wakho because angazothi ngibani and ngizothi mawulala ongifonele. Girl was like okay, uthi hayi vele ngizihambele ngilungise izinto zami ngizile endlini ngilungise ngicede ngipheke ngicede hawu umuntu nawe uyangifonela are you done phela manje isikhathi ukuthi mina ngawasikhuluma. Uthi bongathi abantwana abancane abase high school bacala ujola. Uthi umjolo wambojoleka guy bojoleka. Guy was like okay, so I hope ukuthi lapha endlini unokudla, if you don't have food ungitshela phela ngithumela imali dala ungekho ngisho ukuthi ukudla kwakho kusese fresh. Amani phela ukuthi hayi nginayo imali plus nalo ungiphe yona bathi Peter athi you know what, like spend the money ungasabi ukuspenda imali, I will give you more, if you want more tell me. Ugel uthi ngibona ukuthi musla lo muntu lo ngamyuza lo for my own advantage and for my own benefit ngingamyuza yaba. Uthi ugela mtshela ukuthi you know what bit mina nginestress semali kahle ngikodwa eziningi, so like that's why imali mangisebenza ngibe cautious when coming to money because of I'm overcommitted ezintweni eziningi. Bit was like ngithumela everything ngikolotayo I will take care of it, even the car I will settle it if you're still paying it. Girl was like what? Ati I'm telling you send everything, I will settle everything. Ugel uthi ngithi azange ngilale bengiso ngithekana nama statement wami ukuthi ngikolta malini la ngithumela ngithumela uPiet. Uthi buzani the following week everything yami beyicleared, bengagoloti anything, even my car was paid up. Kabona mo ay badimba ka ban ragetse shem badimba ka ban ragetse like I'm loved in the right way. Hi guys, ngibuyile ngo-part 4. Upiet athi kugel athi kunama townhouse la duzena la ngihlala khona, so asambe so uyabheka if ever yithanda ungitshele then mina ngizokubhadalela for sisani ilise 1 year, then uzomovela in lapho and then ufune neneni and then make it a point ukuthi uyamthola ube neneni. So ngasolo makuphumile endlini unestress ukuthi umntwana uyokuthola ungekho. Hayi uthi vele ngicela umntwana kamamncane nami azoba ineni yami. Hayi sihambe mina noPiet sofuna vele nama townhouse uthi vele bekhona lengithandayo vele. Hayi Piet asign ama lease agreement for 1 year vele simove in. remember upiti ukhavare ikoloto zami zonke. Uthi hayi vele ngihambe vele ngekhaya. Uthi mangifika ekhaya vele ngibatshela ukuthi you know what, engine extra cash, I want to renovate la nekhaya. Uthi vele ngirenovate vele umuzi wasekhaya, ngirenovate. Remember ukuthi ngapha ngine allowance every month. Uyanginikeza 40k each and every month. Uthi hayi vele ngirenovate ngithi kube right. Uthi hayi vele ngimtshela ubhethi ukuthi you know what, I want to study more. Yabona ngifuna ukontinue ngale course ngiyenzayo, ngi-upgrade le engicede ukuyenza, ngi-upgrade kuya phambili. But I was like, no baby, you don't need that, like you've got me. Yabona okay, uthi amtshela ukuthi hayi man, I want to study, like angifuna ukuba intombazana edependela endodeni. I know ukuthi you've got your own money, but now I feel like I want to wenzani kan upgrade myself. Yabona hayi uphethu bathamtshela ukuthi ayi uzayenza next year man, lise asibe akube unyaka wami nawo si travel to get to know each other, ungabe nesikhathi sencwadi. Okay ukuthi hayi vele ngimlalele vele phela ubey mugona ubulethi. Yabona uthi hawu vele kusondele ibirthday yami, so ngimtshela ukuthi ubhethi ngiyabirthday nini. Yabona ubhethi was like, you know what, ngitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuya kuphi, like la ufuna uvakashela khona, just let me know. Mina I'll arrange ne-PA yami ukuthi i-organize le stuff like that. Usisi uJessica uthi ever since babuya ngalena azange yikaPiet. uPiet remember ukuthi bebabhukhe hotel, usisi kaPiet akakwazi, but uPiet bayahlangana nosisi if umntwana angekho endlini, but umntwana akamazi uPiet, akangathi am-introducer, so basa respect isikhathi ukuthi batsebana. So girl was like, no man, mina for my birthday present bengicabanga ukuthi like ngizithengele like myself a brand new car, a decent car, and then from there mina ngibe nomuzi wami, like I want my own house ebiza ngigama lami. Uthi vele ngitshele uGuy. Guy was like, okay. Ay umuntu uthi ngebirthday yami ekseni uGuy kusho bought the car during the week, bamele ukuthi ekseni mangivuka, because it was Saturday ekseni mang birthday. Ngebirthday yami vele angifonele uGuy athi phumela ngaphandle. Uthi like in my mind I'm thinking ukuthi ungilethele ukudla because uyathanda ungilethela like ukudla ubiyet. Athi phumela ngaphandle. Uthi mangithe clubs ku parking area wena bye bye le ribbon sibhaliwe ngalama balloon yabona bhale happy birthday. Uthi amila amabhaluni lawo happy birthday lawa maside nayo yabona oma alphabet. Uthi amile almost. Uthi ume next to you. Uthi ngascreama early in the morning. Ngascreama uGuy like bought me a brand new car and lebe ngifuna but not exactly. So le it is the ngemali. Uthi Guy was like, happy birthday my love, so please hambe ugeza kunala ngikusa khona. Mara uPiet mina. Okay uthi ye ngageza 5 minutes. Ngageza 5 minutes cause ngibona the gift ngapha umuGuy unyakonkisa somewhere. Ubona okay uthi vele ngigeze angitshela ukuthi no, pack a few things but make it a point ukuthi upheka iswimwear. Yabona uthi vele ngipheke lapha sengihlalele phela ngisazi ukuthi ngipheke, uthi ngivele ngiqwalise vele i-traveling case yami vele sihambe sithi emotweni the bring one si drive yona. Uthi vele sihambe umuntu si drive athi su vacation spot ethu. Uthi vele masifika lapha yana wena ho green everything ipila uthi yey na banibone vele la ku Instagram kuna manye ama vacation la ulala khona like so kuna ma wild animals, so kule class niyabona la ama vacation nawaza ngisho ningakhuluma ukuthi ngaphi lapho okay uthi angise lapho umuntu ezinena uthi yo yazi ubatshele kahle ukuthi lizirengi 1 2 3 4. Uthi masifika lapha bas welcome like yazini ngithola basetele netafula vele for ilunch. Uthi yo ama rose petals la ngihamba khona all the way ma rose petals, and la sihamba khona kuna lama balloon yabona lama love balloon mara athi bale happy birthday. Uthi la sihamba khona yiwo. Uthi mose ngifeel special ngithi this man mara ke mona omojwa ngona hayi uthi vele selapha vele ufike kube mnandi vele. Uthi sifike kube mnandi silale silale the following day athi you know what asihambe sidrive kunala futhi ngifuna ukukisa khona. Hayi uthi sivuke vele kuseni kudrive kuhambiwe guys kuyiwe somewhere else. Uthi masifika lapha sole vele basenzele picnic amabhaloni lawo ama-alphabet amile vele lapha emoyeni abhale ukuthi will you marry me. Okay uthi yo kakhanya okay uthi ngahlanya uthi ngahlanya okay uthi musingahlanya azange ngifahlele bathi nyathi kerenka. I was like yes. Uthi ngaba engaged rock. Uthi vele vacation vele yabamnandi. We went back home. Uthi like I couldn't wait to tell my family, my friends, my colleagues, everyone. Uthi Upit was like, okay, now we need to talk about our next step. It was like, yeah, we can hire a wedding planner in yasaza ngisho nabafazi masele siqalele nasaza ngisho. But Peter was like, no, I'm not talking about that. I want you to come to my house uzovakasha and then sizokhuluma. So okay uthi ever since ihlala no Peter zange ngikwakhe and behlala aza kimi if umntwana mayekho or besihlangana ema-hotel or like sihlala kuma-weekend away, stuff like that. Kwakhe bengakayanga. Since that time uzoza kwami official one day bahlala njela kanjalo, and I didn't see a problem because bahlala nami, so bengasuspect ukuthi there is something ayenzayo behind my back because lo muntu hlala nami mangekho hlala sefonini uyanga video call, things like that. It was like, you know what, ngicela ukuthi udrive uze la, come to my house. Yabona ugel uthi kaPiet ngiyakwazi but asangangena ngathi ke gate. The whole time angiya kaPiet mina ngiya egate or else uza nami ungisha egate uyangena nendodla something and then sihamba uthi la ngikwazi khona, but uthi ngahlika ngangena azangize ngingene. Okay uthi this time athi you know what baby, come to my house, ngicela ukuthi uzongivakashela endlini yami. Yabona okay lutho okay ayingibhake vele overnight bheke ukuthi ayingusala ngilala le ngizovuka ekseni ngiyemsebenzini ngingapiyedwa. Yabona uthi vele ngipheke ngihambe vele ngiyakapiti. Uthi vele mangifika vele ngithola vele ungimele vele egedini, angivulele igedi vele ngingene. Uthi mangingena so like the minute ngingena uthi inwele zami zibaleke, that the minute vele ngidriver through uthi inwele zami zibaleke. Uthi ngisibuza ukuthi kanti what's going on lana. Yabona uthi vele ngingene ngithola vele uvule igarage. Uthi vele singene ngase garage. Yabona uPiet uthi athi fanele introduce to someone, so ungafuna ukuthi ngi-introduce kulo muntu lona. Uthi in my heart nginyanyile ngithi lo muntu lingaza ngitshela ukuthi ngizoba i-second wife, nginyanye ukunyanya. Uthi ngivele ngismile nje ngithi okay you can introduce me, yabona stuff like that. Hayi vele ugele uthi hayi vele asikade kusho kanjalo vele siwalke singene endlini vele singene sivelele ngasekitchen singene endlini. Yabuya buyele guys ngo part 4 yolokudlana nje mbuthe kabuhlungu ngazi. Hayi part 1 kanti lo part 5 okay lo uthi vele ngisingene vele kitchen uthi sivelele uthi masingena uthi mawungena so like kitchen yabona uyangena and kuba ngathi kunewogwe so uyahamba uvela ngase sitting room before uvela ngase bedroom. So uthi siyahamba uthi the movie lisondela ngishaya uvalo vele ngishaya uthi ngimbamba isandla so like angizwe ukuthi I'm uncomfortable. Yabona uthi ambuza ukuthi kanti what's wrong, why ungiqindezela isandla so. Uthi Jessica uthi ngitime repeat yazini like ngiyacela ngena kwakho but ngishaya uvalo. Athi why? Athi no like something like in my soul nje ukuthi something it's wrong like line endlini yakho. Athi kunomoya umusnacks nje unga-understand. Uthi Pete vele amangibheki. Athi what do you mean? Athi no mara ngathi kunomoya omnyama so like I don't understand. Yabona athi Pete uthi vele angibheki ahle yabona athi let's go. Uthi sihambe vele uthi sambe vele sihlale dining room uthi masihlale dining room phansi vele uthi mawungena vele kaBeat kuyabanda uthi ngi-understand because Beat everywhere la siyakhona ufuna la kubanda khona ngenza sho ukuthi i-aircon i-on even if sisemotweni ngithi hayi mara kuyabanda why ungablaki heat because mina I feel cold kuyabanda lana endlini uthi Beat atha ela endlini kumele ukuthi kuhlale kusovele fanele kungabi warm kanjani yabona Beat hayi like you'll understand mawubona ukuthi ngokubezele ini yabona hayi ugel uthi awungizibuza ukuthi manje athamba ukuthi do you want something to drink na bathi ugela atha enye shop ngithela amanzi ukuthi avele Beat aphakame vele amthelela amanzi but ahambe isikhathi eside solo uhlale ngale I1 yabona uthi awungihlale vele ngiWhatsApp ugela ukuthi ngilana kaBeat wena yazi la ngathi uhlala ibhoko umoya wami like uyathuka ugela was like hayi nawe uthanda ucabangela ngisho ubuca ukuthi uBeat unomfazi uthi hayi like on a serious note lana vele ngathi unomoya snacks engawu understand yabona hayi vele uBeat bathi vele abuyi uthi makabuyi uBeat amtshele vele bathi ambambe vele ngezandla like this babhekane like so yabona bathi amtshele ambuza uJessica uyangithanda na uJessica athi yes athi and hey guys ngicabangani izipho lami liphukile ngithi ngibrush amathayi wemoto nina and these are my natural nails guys in lay gel overlay lawo amazipho wami like natural yo ubhlungu ngibuzwe la hayi okay guys uthi vele uthi ambambe like this babhekane like this yabona uthi athi kuye athi uyangithanda na yabona athi uJessica hle athi ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda athi no like ngitshela ngobunoma wakho uyangithanda na but uJessica vele ambona ukuthi unomuntu serious uthi vele ngithi ngiyakuthanda athi can you do anything for me na like the way mina ngenza anything for wena na uthi uJessica ngiyambheka enomuntu serious akahleki phela uBeat umuntu olithanda ukukhuluma yenza ama-jokes and stuff uthi ngimbona ukuthi lo muntu serious uthi ngithi like yeah athi baba ngathi keep your own liver unikeze mina ungavuma na athi uBeat athi yeah I can do anything for you babe you know what uthi befuna ngize ngimshayela esandla ngithi I can do anything for you babe can't what's wrong yabona uthi uBeat I want to tell you something but ngifuna ukuthi ube calm in each and every situation ongasithola kiyo right now ulana endlini ngicela ukuthi ube be calm then ngizo explain ukuthi what's going on but please ungayenzi izinto ezifani yabona okay uthi vele ngicela ngithukwe ngithayi lo mlungu lo yini indaba yakhe yabona uthi athi buya la uthi siphakame vele masiphakama vele mawuphuma vele ngase dining room kuna la minyango yabona le minyango le imkhulu lekhona ukuthi uyahlanganisa nenoyayiphusha ibe khoneni ya uthi vele avulele eminyango le makavula vele la ngasemuva kwakhe vele kublue kunamalayithi abblue vele iswimming pool enkulu yabona uthi vele avule vele uthi makavula uthi you can sense ukuthi la emanzini there is something moving but I cannot see it uthi ngithi Beat ngathi kuna something la emanzini why yabona wathi uBeat athi asinex yabona athi hayi man serious ngiyakhona ukubona kuna something la emanzini uthi vele mangisondela ngiyakhona ukubona ukuthi no man la asi swimming pool is like ngathi ilake nyana sort of uzenzelile mara like i swimming pool like una la ithela khona amanzi then kuba i swimming pool ngathi ipound baby pound or in something like that yabona uthi vele ngibheka uthi ngiyakhona ufila kuba ngathi uba namovu uthi vele mina ngijike uBeat vele mangijike angibambe la athi no come back don't leave come back yabona uthi vele angibambe vele ngime lapha ngaba kube ngathi noma athi nawe uzumoya kuno sometimes kunomoya omunye kokwami to say umoya oyibhoko mawukhala uthi vanuzo lo moya like thola ukuthi ebusuku so kuna like if kuwindi but kuba na this like sound so vanizo lo moya lo so nawaza ngisho ngikhuluma ngawo athi vele kube na la breathing yana level ngathi umonyana lo wangamatha soma kuthule kuthe tu yabona uthi vele ngicela vele ngithukwe uthi athi yimi athi mina my wealth ivela la uthakhombela amanzi athi iwealth yami ivela la so ngoba ngimanawe kudala ngiconsulta ukuthi should I marry you na uthi until ngithole approval ukuthi ngikushade and futhi until ngithole approval ukuthi ngikulethela so I'm here to welcome you and ne-wealth yami uthi asho nje athi wealth yami izoku-welcome yabona. Ugirl uthi hawu benza bengiphumela. Ugirl uthi athi hawu Pete uthwele or something, tell me. Uthi Pete vele angamphenduli, uthi vele Pete vele ahleke wena Jessica ahleke, mara like he's still holding me like this akanyekeli. Uthi athi yimi athi close your eyes yabona, I want to surprise you. Ugirl athi I don't want to close my eyes, please tell me what's going on. I can't close my eyes yabona, if there's something wrong ngikhona ukuyibona mina yabona, because like now ngifila ama vibes as snacks and ngithukiwe yabona. Uphethe uthi hayi vele guys, uthi vele athi imathi bila emuva, uthi vele sibile emuva kune steps between la besikhona isitup, mara kune step mawusuke endlini uthi uwela kule steps inyana so esincane, uthi athi sigibele vele la urana khona ama-sliding door, uthi athi sigibele lapho yabona, athi emala yabona. Uthi Uphethe vele ahambe yena awuke abele lapha emanzini, makasuka lapha afika lapha emanzini uthi avele akhumule asale so lapha emanzini. Uthi vele Uphethe vele aqale vele akhulume like in a foreign language, uthi akhulume asikhetha solo mina ngimila ngitshela ukuthi ungahambi ungabaleki, vele akhulume uthi vele abuye solo uso abuye afike vele aqoke athi asambe endlini. Uthi vele masifike endlini ngimtshela ukuthi what mina Pete ngifuna uhamba, izinto ozenzayo zangithusa, ngicela uhamba. Bathi Pete amtshela ukuthi what bengifuna introduce wealth yami, so akhonakala because I can sense ukuthi uzoyenza izinto snacks and you might get hurt, so please lala and then sasa sizozama futhi ukuthi ngi-introduce. Vele uthi vele uyambona ukuthi manje akasadlali and userious akahleki yabona. Uthi vele ugirl uthi sike uthi ngimbuzi kanti yini le wealth yakho ufuna uku-introduce kuyo. Athi before ngi-introduce fanele ukuthi ngibone ngamehlo, ngibone reaction yakho, then that's when I can tell ukuthi what's going on. For now asilale if you want to sleep. Uthi umuntu vele angene yena eshawareni vele ageze, uthi like ngihleli lapha esofeni ngifreezile ukuthi kanti what's going on. Ngilabona uthi ngisibuza ama-question amanye ukuthi should I leave, should I stay, should I leave, should I stay. Uthi ngiyacabanga ama-benefits phela, ngapha i-townhouse ibhadala wi, ngapha a new car, ngapha everything nje isettle, ngapha i-40K per month. Uthi vele ngiweigh out ama-options wami, uthi hayi ngibona ukuthi you know what, sibe ndiyabulala sibe ndiyaphilisa, mina I'm staying lana. Guys, le story sinamaphatsi amaningi, but I will try to minimize. But guys,